Medical waste is a critical aspect of healthcare that requires meticulous handling and disposal to ensure safety and compliance with health regulations. At Trihaz Solutions, we emphasize the importance of understanding the different types of medical waste to manage them effectively. We outline the 4 major types of medical waste, each crucial for healthcare professionals and waste management teams to recognize and handle appropriately. What is medical waste? Medical waste, also known as biomedical waste, encompasses a variety of materials generated from healthcare activities, including hospitals, clinics, and laboratories. This waste includes infectious items like bandages and discarded surgical gloves, pathological wastes such as removed body organs, sharp objects like needles and scalpels, chemicals from lab processes, expired pharmaceuticals, and cytotoxic drugs used in chemotherapy. Proper handling and disposal are critical to prevent environmental contamination and reduce public health risks, with disposal methods varying by waste type, including incineration, autoclaving, and chemical disinfection, to ensure safety and compliance with regulatory standards. Infectious medical waste. Infectious waste includes materials that are potentially infectious or contaminated with bodily fluids, such as blood, saliva, or other secretions. This category encompasses items like used gloves, bandages, swabs, and any other material that may harbor pathogens. Proper disposal methods, such as autoclaving or incineration, are crucial to eliminate the risk of spreading infections. Used gloves and gauze, contaminated sharps, needles, scalpels, soiled bandages and dressings, swabs and tissues with bodily fluids. Discarded surgical instruments, cultures and stocks of infectious agents, waste from patients in isolation wards. Hazardous medical waste. Hazardous waste in a medical context refers to materials that pose a chemical, radioactive, or toxic threat. This type includes discarded medications, chemicals used in diagnosis or treatment, and radioactive substances from cancer therapies or diagnostic equipment. Handling and disposal of hazardous waste require adherence to strict guidelines to prevent harm to people and the environment. Expired or unused pharmaceuticals, chemicals used in diagnostic procedures, disinfectants and sterilization agents, heavy metals from medical devices, for example mercury, lead, cytotoxic waste from cancer treatments, waste with high concentrations of heavy metals. Solvents and reagents used in laboratory settings. Sharps waste is a critical category that includes any device with sharp edges or points capable of cutting or puncturing skin. Needles, scalpels, broken glass, and similar items fall into this category. Due to their potential to cause injury and spread infection, sharps must be disposed of in sturdy, puncture-resistant containers. Needles and syringes, broken glass vials and ampules, scalpels and blades, lancets and other blood sampling instruments, stitches and staples, glass fragments from laboratory equipment. Other sharp medical instruments and tools. Sharps waste is one of the 4 major types of medical waste. Radioactive medical waste. Radioactive medical waste is a crucial category, primarily originating from cancer treatments and medical research involving radioactive materials. This type of waste includes contaminated materials like gloves, syringes, and any equipment that has come into contact with radioactive pharmaceuticals. Disposal of radioactive waste requires strict adherence to regulatory guidelines to prevent radiation exposure risks. Contaminated protective gear, gloves, aprons, syringes, and vials that contained radioactive materials. Waste from radioactive therapies, for example iodine therapy, contaminated glassware and test tubes, excretions from patients treated with radiopharmaceuticals, sealed sources and unused radionuclides. The 4 major types of medical waste. Understanding the various types of medical waste is crucial for their safe and effective management. Trihaz Solutions is committed to providing expertise and solutions for handling each category with the utmost care, ensuring compliance with health regulations and safeguarding public health. For more information or assistance with medical waste management, contact Trihaz Solutions today.